Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery. Once connected, open Chrome on your Chromebook and click the three-dot menu at the top right to select Cast. Choose the target device from the list, a TV, Chromecast, or Miracast receiver, because selecting the right endpoint determines whether you mirror or present. While you do this, keep the target device awake and on the correct input so the connection appears quickly and reliably. Once your device appears, choose the source to control what you share. Cast Tab for a single tab, Cast Desktop to mirror the whole screen, or Cast File to play media. You should adjust audio and quality settings now, lower resolution if your network is slow to reduce lag. Make sure to accept any permission pop-ups on both the Chromebook and the receiver. Some receivers ask for a confirmation code. Once done, you'll see the mirrored content. Keep an eye on the connection icon for status. To end, click the cast icon and stop casting from the menu or the system tray. That cleanly releases the receiver. If you encounter lag, dropped audio, or stuttering, immediately reduce the cast resolution, restart the Wi-Fi router, or reconnect both devices to the network. This resolves most bandwidth issues. If the receiver never appears, reboot the Chromebook and the receiving device and check for firmware updates. Often a quick reboot or update fixes discovery problems without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.